Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
I never discussed about all these things, that depression and everything, because at that particular point I thought ki they won't understand. I am Gaurav Lakhani. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. So I think from kindergarten to our coveted MBS degrees, everyone talks about those 9 hours that we spend in a cubicle, but no one talks about the remaining 15 hours that we spend. Love, emotions, and mental health forms a major part of those 15 hours. One of this incident, which played an important part in forming my personality, was during the May 2017, where I got a rejection from the Commonwealth Scholarship, and I realized that my worst dream was coming true. I had an admit from Imperial College London, but I didn't have a scholarship to support. It was all done. I realized that no, I can't take anything. I won't go below that particular standard, and I think I can wait for some more time. I might try again for next year for some other particular program. So I thought of continuing at ISC for my master's degree. Those 15-20 days when I was not there, I realized many of my friends, they were going to very good grad colleges. They got good admits with full scholarship. So I thought like it's a good time. I should give break to myself. I will stay here at ISC and I will complete a 1-year master's, and I will get the new perspective. What exactly I want to do was masters, and PhD was something that I wanted to do, or I can explore some other career path. One particular night, I was at my hostel terrace, and many of ugly thoughts started coming into my mind. Suddenly, I started crying, and I called my father, that I really wanted to meet you specifically, because I realized back when I was at home, he was one of the person like who was supporting me for each and everything. You want to go for France, go for France, or you want to go for a job, you go for a job. I told him, just please come back, come here as soon as possible. So I think next morning he was here at the campus at Bangalore. He left all his work and he was there till I felt better. By the mid-September of 2017, I realized that I was in a chronic depression stage. So I met a psychiatrist at my college, and I started opening up about the emotional turmoil that I was facing. I didn't realize that I could speak so much and a lot of things that were happening inside my mind. And I spoke to a stranger for like around 2 to 3 hours. I started meeting him regularly, and the things were coming in a good shape. He'd asked me to call my parents and my friends every day for 15 to 20 minutes. All those overeating, I realized that I had to stop, otherwise I will be in a very bad shape. And he told me to take few exercises, start hitting the gym. During my college time, I used to play hockey for my college team. So I joined that hockey team again. I started playing hockey regularly, and we started meeting people, how to tackle with these difficulties, how to tackle your emotions. And I realized that there's a lot of things that a person need to learn to be stable for those 15 hours that you don't spend in the cabin. So I think all these particular things helped me in shaping up of my good mind. And fast forwarding to 25th June 2018, when my convocation was held, I could see like when anchor was about to call my name, and I could see my parents. They were cheering me up, and they were very excited. I realized that how were they so much instrumental in my success and whatever I was doing. So I felt good that yes, now everything has started falling into places. It's all right to fail, but the main important thing is how well you get up and again you fight. So I think that is something that the Indian education system needs to teach the children from a very small age. So I had 20 days remaining. So for the first 10 days, as my psychiatrist told me, that I had to condition my mind. The next 7 days I prepared. So I was like, okay, I can give this exam and that should not be a problem, because uh, I was quite okay with the logical reasoning and the quantitative aptitude. I just needed some practice. Meantime, I was applying to various other places in India and abroad for the MBA programs where I was hoping to get good results. Here at IIM Shillong, I got an opportunity to do my summer internship with Tata Steel, where I worked in the sales and marketing division of Tata Steel. I realized something which was very important there was honesty in the mind of in people. It was deeply ingrained in their minds, and I realized that I want to work for a company and I want to join a company where honesty is given utmost priority, then the work-life balance and the efforts that you put in and the results that you get. So I believe that in future everything works out well. Like there's no problem if one door shuts or if you get one failure. It's all right. It's okay to fail. But the most important thing that I realized from my journey was how well you get up and how well you fight the situation and the odds that are against you. Because at the end you realize that everything works out very well. You'll get ample of opportunities in this particular world. You can do anything. You can make a good living out of it, and the important thing is that you enjoy the journey. That is something which is most important, because until and unless you don't enjoy the journey, nothing will come out.